You can actually adopt the same weight loss habits as celebrities like Kelly Clarkson without breaking the bank or hiring a personal trainer. Let me explain. It all starts with a simple daily ritual that's been gaining traction, the gelatin trick. I was browsing through an interview with Kelly Clarkson the other day, and she mentioned how she's been using gelatin to support her weight loss journey. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gelatin is just for desserts, but trust me, the gelatin trick is a game changer. It's all about harnessing the power of gelatin to help your body feel more balanced and supported, which in turn can help you wake up without that sluggish feeling. I've been trying the gelatin trick myself, and I've noticed a big difference in how my body responds to food. The gelatin trick is all about creating a daily habit that's easy to stick to, and it's amazing how such a small change can add up over time. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to notice the benefits for yourself, just like Kelly Clarkson and other celebrities who swear by it. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips on getting started with the gelatin trick.